Fish.
All right.
My bad. My bad.
If I got it in the net, don't pull the fish out the net.
Yeah, my pole was falling down. My hands were wet. That was my fault. They're eating red. Look at all that in their mouth.
Yeah.
Fish. Fish.
Just don't.
I'm not. I'm.
Where you at? Oh, gosh. It's the red.
It's the red, baby.
I ain't got my.
I got a.
All right, guys, we just got done with the tournament and we did not get first. We got second. 1454 is what we had and 1469 is what they had. So we didn't win, but we had boat problems. So if we could have fished that extra hour and a half to 2 hours, we probably would have won. But I hope y'all enjoyed.